Hello guys, in today's video I am going to teach you how to change theme in Microsoft Teams in just a few steps. Okay, so let's get started. So what we're gonna do, again, we need to log in our account. As you can see, it will take you to your chat dashboard. Okay, so after that guys, you need to go to the top right corner. As you can see, there's a button here and also the three dot options, so click that one and you will see a drop down options here and you can just click the settings. Okay, there you go. So after that guys, all you need to do is you have to go to the appearance. Okay, appearance, there you go guys. So as you can see, this one, the theme, you can change that one guys. So you can change it to light, to dark, or contrast. It's up to you guys. So just have to make it light or follow operating system theme. Okay, that's it guys. So I hope you enjoy and learn from these quick tutorials, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials in Microsoft Teams. Thank you.